and welcome to the Success Cloud Spring 19 Release Deep Dive. We're so excited that you've joined us today to learn all about what's new with Success Cloud. Now, my name is Karen Stanley. I'm a product marketing manager here with Salesforce, and my focus is really on helping customers with growth and adoption, helping you to get the most out of Salesforce. Now, with me today, I have a wonderful product manager, Remy Schumann. Remy, tell us a little bit about yourself.
Thanks, Karen. I'm Remy Schumann. I'm a product manager here at Salesforce for about 2 years, and I'm here to show you a demo of our help portal as well as some of our premier features.
Fantastic. I'm so excited you're here. Now, before we go any further, we do need to, of course, look at our forward-looking statement, because since this is a release, we'll be talking about some new things that are coming. Whenever you're making a purchasing decision about any technology, whether it's Salesforce or anything else, make sure that you're basing it on the current set of features. All right, and now with that, I'm so excited, Remy. We're really going to turn our attention to what you mentioned, the help portal. We know that there are so many customers who spend time on the help portal every single day. In fact, what is it, about 1.3 million people a month visit the help portal? Even more. So many. And we're really thrilled to be making this easier and easier for you so that you can get the help that you need. Now, Remy, show us what's new. I'm so excited about this.
Yeah, Karen, you really hit the nail on the head. It's really all about making it easier for customers. So we're here on the Salesforce Help homepage, and two things that we've really worked on enhancing for this spring release are enhancing our case submission process, as well as making it easier for you to connect with our agents. And if you go to the Support and Services button, this page might look familiar, but if we go to Create a Case, this is where we really made some enhancements. You'll see that this looks different. You'll see that we have these descriptive headers added. That's really to give you context to what you're doing while submitting a case. We've also added these hoverovers. So those really go into detail about what's within each topic and category so you know what to select.
Oh, that's such a great tool to really make sure everyone understands what they're choosing.
Exactly.
Great.
So if we select a topic and then a category, now we have this third section for a subcategory, and this is a new addition. So we've actually added this field, and it allows you to add more context to what you're submitting in your case, give us more specificity on your issue. So our hope is that, when you give us more detail, we're able to route your case faster and give you a faster resolution.
Yeah, and these are pretty common problems that are listed here, things that support agents see a good bit.
Exactly. We work with our support agents to understand, and our customers, to understand what our customers see as their main issues, and then allow them to select that. But if they don't see anything that relates to their issue, we actually have this other option down here. And if you select that, you're able to enter in your own text around your issue, and that actually becomes the subject line of your case.
Oh, that's so helpful.
Yeah. But we'll go back and we'll select something that is predetermined here. And this is something I'm really excited about, these resources. So these are curated by our experts. They're based on the top 3 selections that you made. And our hope is that, if something here relates to your issue, you're able to look at it, and maybe you don't even need to submit a case to resolve your issue.
Oh, that's great. That's what everybody wants, to be able to figure it out as soon as possible.
Yes. And we've added a lot of context here, too, so you can understand what you're looking at. We've added the type of article, the title, of course, some preview text around the article, as well as the date that it was last updated, so you know if it's relevant or not.
Excellent. So let's say that I do want to create a case. I see these buttons at the bottom. These are new too, right?
These are new. Good call out, Karen. So these are our different support options that we offer. So start a live chat, that's only for our premier customers, which is really exciting.
Excellent.
But we also have a link to go to the answers forum, so you can ask a question or look at other previously asked questions, the community, or you can just continue on to submit the case.
Okay.
So this is our case detail page, and this is pretty much the same, but we've added one really exciting thing. And that's this field down at the bottom. So for some cases, you're going to be able to answer this question. Would you like to request an appointment to discuss this case? So if you select yes, it actually initiates our appointment scheduler process without your agent or you having to do anything.
Oh, fantastic. So we launched Appointment Scheduler last year, and at that time, it was really where the agent would initiate the appointment scheduler, but now customers can do it for themselves?
Absolutely.
Great.
Yeah, so I'll do a little refresher on Appointment Scheduler because we've heard a lot of feedback since this launched in the summer release of 18, and our customers love it. They love how it simplified the process of contacting support. So I'm going to switch screens here, and this is what a typical case looks like once you've submitted it. And then you have this modal here to be able to schedule an appointment. If you click into that and click Get Started, you're able to see your agent's availability and select time from their calendar that works for you. So we'll select 3:30 p.m. and click Schedule, and that's it.
That was so easy.
So easy.
What did they do next? Did they get an email, some sort of confirmation?
Yeah, so you'll get an email as well as a case comment that details not only the conferencing information to connect with the agent, but also an ICS file to add to your calendar and just a reiteration of when your appointment is.
Oh, this is so great. And we've heard, like you said, we've heard from customers, we've heard from everyone how well Appointment Scheduler was already working. So I'm thrilled that we're expanding it. And really happy about just overall how much better the help portal is than it's ever been before. So great work.
Thank you. Yeah, we're really pushing to make it easier for customers.
Yes, I know you're so focused on really helping the customers to have the best experience possible.
Absolutely.
Now we're going to turn our attention to another fantastic element of the spring release, which is accelerators. So for those who don't know what accelerators are, they're one-on-one coaching sessions with Salesforce specialists, really designed to help you achieve objectives. So it might be anything from getting started with Sales Cloud to figuring out analytics or learning more about Pardot. We really have a lot of great how-to accelerators as well that are focused on things like reports and dashboards. So everything that you need to know about Salesforce in really digestible sessions with Salesforce experts. So what we've done with this release is, first of all, introduce 24 new and refresh accelerators. Now, with every release, we have new accelerators, and we are always excited about the ways that we're bringing these to life for you, because we base these decisions on what accelerators to bring to life based on what you're telling us. So we've introduced several new ones, 13 in total that are new, and then we have 11 that are refreshed. And you can see some of the highlights here. There are a couple that I really want to point out to you. For example, with Service Cloud, the FSL appointment scheduler, that's Field Service Lightning. That's actually related to the appointment scheduler that Remy just showed you. So you can do the same thing for yourself. There's also the Lightning Case Path, really a great way for you to take care of cases and make sure that you're getting customer support as fast as possible. So those are some awesome new accelerators. But there's another thing that I want to tell you about, and that is Accelerator Lives. We introduced these with winter release, and they're a great way for all customers, whether you have Premier or a standard success plan, to really get in touch with a specialist and hear some of these expert tips and best practices. So you can see here that we have 6 brand new ones, and they're really related to Sales Cloud and Pardot, all about helping you to get started and some how-tos to make sure you really know what you're doing with these awesome tools. Now, Remy here is going to actually show us the Accelerator Library and let you see how you can figure out what accelerator is right for you and how to put in the request. Remy?
So this is our Accelerator Library, and it's where you can view all of our accelerators that we have, including the Accelerator Lives. So I highly recommend bookmarking this page.
Yes.
You're going to want to refer back to it. You're going to want to see what we have to offer. So if I scroll down, you'll see on the first page, right up in front, we have these Accelerator Lives listed. And as Karen mentioned, those are our on-demand offerings, so you can really get the results you want faster. But then we go into the formal accelerators, and we have those listed by product as well as by subcategory. So whether you're getting started with a product, whether you're learning how to, trying to dig into the analytics with the insights, or you're an advanced user, we have something for you.
Now, when Remy says more formal accelerators, what she means is the one-on-one sessions, and these are for Premier customers only.
Good call out. So once you find the accelerator you need, how do you actually go about requesting it? So I'm going to take us back to the Salesforce Help Portal. And we're back on the home page, and you want to make sure before you go to request an accelerator that you're logged in. And additionally, you have to make sure that you're a designated contact. So you're able to check if you're a designated contact right here in the Support and Services tile if you see that you have the passcode for designated contacts. And if you don't have that, you'll want to talk to your administrator about getting those permissions or working with them to request the accelerator. So go in that tile, and you'll actually just click Request an Accelerator. This takes you to our accelerator catalog, and you can actually filter by product to find what you want. So we'll go to Service Cloud, and then you can look through these to find the one that's relevant to you. And once you want to request one, you just click Request. And this accelerator's detail page is pretty similar to the case detail page I showed before. So just fill in the relevant information, including your executive sponsor that we'll be working with, a lot of the contact information, your delivery time zone and language so we can match you with the right specialist, as well as when you want to start the accelerator. Is this something you want to jump into ASAP or do a little bit farther down the line?
Yeah, and a kind of a best practice with this is to put more information than you think you're going to need.
Absolutely.
So yeah, it'll really help your specialists to get a jump start on your session and make sure that they know exactly what you're looking to achieve.
Absolutely. So Karen, once you finish that, you just click request at the bottom, and then one of our specialists will actually reach out to you and get the sessions going.
It's fantastic. I'm always excited about new accelerator news, so thank you very much, Remy. We're now going to turn our attention to 2 more updates for Success Cloud, starting with proactive monitoring. If you haven't heard of proactive monitoring, it's a great way for you to protect your most important customer relationships by minimizing the risk of business disruption. We offer tailored 24/7 monitoring of many of your most important mission-critical processes. And it's really across our platform, core clouds, and marketing cloud as well. What this means is that when something goes wrong, not only are we going to diagnose the problem and help fix it for you, but we can actually help you prevent the problem from happening again the next time. With the spring release, we're so excited to be offering 8 new platform-wide alerts. For example, we can now give you visibility to slowdowns affecting CPQ, and particularly the pricing calculations or document and contracts. These warnings let you get started fixing problems earlier, often before they have the chance to affect your business. Now, along with this release, we also have added the ability to monitor login success and failure rates. So you can set login failure alerts based upon minimum thresholds. What does that mean? It means that you can get earlier visibility around some types of attempted security breaches. This is really important for protecting your business and your most important customer relationships. And finally, let's look at our 4th update for spring release, Marketing Cloud Implementation Architects. I'm so excited about this. Implementation architects are an amazing resource to help you, not just when you're first implementing, but also if you're expanding your use of Salesforce. These architects have so much expertise and they know Salesforce better than anyone. So they're there to help you with a single cloud focus. We've had these implementation architects for Sales Cloud and Service Cloud, and now we're introducing them for Marketing Cloud, really helping you to learn things about Journey Builder, about Social Studio, and all of the ways that Marketing Cloud can affect your business and really help you to have a big impact with your customers. Implementation architects have also been proven to really increase user adoption and to help reduce deployment time so that you get started with Salesforce faster, or you get up and running with new clouds faster than ever before. So it's a great resource. And that takes us to the end of our Success Cloud overview of Spring 19 release. Now, we do have some additional features and other things that will be coming up with this release. So we'd love for you to attend a deep dive webinar on February 20th, where we'll go even more in depth on the things we talked about today, plus a few additional features and other enhancements that you're going to be really excited to know about. We'll have additional product managers, and Remy will be there again too. So make sure that you join us for that. Now, we know that there's a lot for you to learn about this release, not just with Success Cloud, but Salesforce overall. So here are some tools and resources to help you learn more and get really comfortable with everything that's new. All right, so thank you again for joining us here today. And Remy, thank you for joining us and for all of your great insights.
Yeah, thank you so much, Karen. It was such a pleasure to be able to show our new enhancements for spring.
Yeah, it was really exciting. And that's what this is all about, is helping you as our customer to be able to get the most out of Salesforce and to use all these enhancements to really make your Salesforce experience the best possible. So thank you again, and we look forward to seeing you for Summer 19.